So I don't really know what's going on right now, but good morning. Welcome to the channel. We had a long day yesterday. The motor is out of the car. My hands hurt.
Seeing stars. What time to go? I'm seeing stars all over the place, bro.
So maybe bringing Price back wasn't such a good idea. I'm kind of questioning his sanity a little bit. After the Mustang, though, it is time to get to work on the 91. We're going to buy a neutral safety switch today. Yeah. We're going to buy a neutral safety switch, pull it out, lift the bed off, replace the neutral safety switch, and then we should be good to start it, maybe drive it a little bit, maybe. Also, interesting news in the Mustang. I was informed when I bought it, this was a T45 transmission. However, you'll see it's from a 2001 Mustang. Drain plug's on the bottom, which means this is actually a 3650, which means it's the better one. So, who knows? If you want it, it's still for sale. Hit me up and we can make something happen. Okay, we gotta make it. Go. Oh, shit. It's no time to fail, Jacob. It's no time to fail. We did it. Give me some. The part is acquired, the neutral safety switch, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the truck out with the 11. We can work on it a little bit. We gotta pull the bed off so we can put gas in it, jack it up a little bit, get under there, put this thing in, and we should be ready to go. Your cherry awaits, sir. I would like to welcome you. You are the first driver in like 6 years into a 1991. I
didn't have to pay anything.
This is an XLT Lariat. This is as good as it got in 91.
Wait,
so hop on it.
XLT Lariat?
XLT Lariat. That's the way it worked back then. It's an older but gooder. It didn't work. Anyway, hop on into your fine captain's chairs.
Oh, look at that. Oh, they're so comfortable.
Oh, you see, grab the key, just unlock it, put it in neutral. The brakes.
Dude, what is this? My house key?
Well, I mean, basically, but you gotta use the square one. I just want to let you know, the brakes, they're not there.
Okay.
There is a parking brake though, and it does work. So
brake pedal works.
You can go ahead and release the parking brake.
Okay.
Put it in neutral.
I'm gonna release it. I already broke one of his cars. I do not want to break another one. My foot is all the way to the floor.
Put her in park. Now there's two parts to the neutral safety switch. One of them is this part that actually goes on the transmission. The other one is this little plug right here, which goes up under the dash. We're gonna worry about the transmission side first, and then this boy. Means I have to crawl under there. Fun stuff. So here's the old one. You can see it's a little covered and stuff. I don't know if that'll affect it, but I'm hoping this will fix it. We don't have to do the under dash one. That one might be a little trickier. So I'll be honest, the confidence level, it's been low for a while.
You need to change this, don't you?
I don't know yet.
Oh, well, they gave you this.
Dang it. Yeah, we're gonna change that. In typical Ethan fashion, I forgot a very important step, and that is to connect the ignition wire. If that's not connected, yeah, the key's not gonna start it. So we may still be good. We're gonna give it another shot. So confidence level is just about as high as it was before. I'm not gonna lie, but it worked.
Got it.
It worked. Now the battery is dead. Battery's dead. We're gonna fix that though. Next step, pull the bed off so we can get some gas in it, and we can start this thing. Freaking give me some. Give me some. I'm so excited about that, guys. I'm so excited. Also, there is wasps in that gas cap right there. So let's go get the wasp spray. We got this. I don't think there's anything in there, bro. Bro, there's not even a wasp nest in there.
There's a hornet that came at me.
You seeing things, homie? We're gonna go ahead and take everything out of the bed so we can get to the stuff in there. Take the bed off, put gas in it, jump the battery, see if we can get it to run. Historically, this has been kind of the tricky part. But this time, it's gonna be easy. Gotta go up more. Okay. Elegance and grace, like usual. So we got 4 gallons of gas. That should be enough to get gas running through it. I really hope she starts today.
Gas.
Good observation. It is.
You want to explain to the viewers, how does gasoline make your engine run?
It goes into the motor, mixes with some air, and then basically you have a very big boom. And then you get power, horsepower.
What he said.
It works. Now before I go jumping, I'm gonna see if it'll start now. I'll put some brake cleaner in there. Okay, yeah, jumping it. Whoops. She's all hooked up. We'll give her a shot. Okay, she's starting. She is running.
It's a brake clean, baby.
She really doesn't sound that bad, so she does have an exhaust leak. But the motor is running really good.
Heck yeah. I sprayed some more in there. So.
Woo! 91. She's dead. Okay, well, good try. So we're working on the truck, right? We're trying to get it running. I've almost got it a few times, but we have a slight problem. You notice my helper over there. He's been on the phone. It's like 10 minutes. I'm kidding, it's okay. He can be on the phone. We need to spray brake clean in there. Also, the fuel gauge is working. That's new. So we gotta spray some brake clean in there. Give it a little bit of encouragement to start. As long as we can get her running one more time, I'll keep feeding her some gas, see if we can get her to stay running. So I tried to jump it with the old jump box we had laying around, and smoke started happening. Power wire got really hot, and now there's nothing. So I'm really hoping battery's really dead or fried, or we didn't fry the ECU. We're gonna find out though. We're taking it to get it charged if we can, and then Whataburger, because it's Whataburger. Updates, big updates, kind of unfortunate ones too. So the battery on the truck, I got it tested, is dead. Like it's dead. Something shorted out in the battery itself.
It's toast.
It looks just about as toasted as the patty melt we just had, and I gotta say, it was an amazing patty melt. I wish you could have experienced it. We're gonna go, I think, steal a battery from him in his truck. He offered it up, so I mean, we gotta take it, and we're gonna see if we can get it started, or see if we fried the whole truck. In which case, we might have a 1991 F-150 for sale. So yeah. We're having a small problem now with the fuel pump staying on when the truck is on, which is obviously not supposed to happen. So we're gonna, when the truck is off, sorry. The fuel pump's just running when the battery's connected. I don't know if the injectors are firing though, because we can't get it to start. So we're gonna test that. So I'm really thinking that something did get fried, and I'm thinking it might be the computer, because we are getting no power to the injectors at all. We're cranking it, no power is going to the injectors, which is not a good thing. So maybe the computer shot. That might explain why the fuel pump's running all the time. One thing after another with this truck. So we're gonna do some research, see what we can figure out. Hopefully we can get this kind of running eventually. Obviously not gonna be today though. We're gonna go ahead and lower the car down on its own weight so we can move it. We gotta clean up. Lots of cleaning up. So now we're gonna move it a little bit so we can clean under it. It's all really fun. So if you wanna come help clean, let me know, you're more than welcome to. So the oil spill is slightly larger than anticipated. So I was telling Price, all we need to do is cover the rest of the floor in oil, and it'll all match. It'll be great.
You know, sometimes your genius just astounds me.
Trust me, it astounds me too. I'm taken aback from it. Well, we are done. Everything is organized-ish. The car is where it's gonna be sitting for a hopefully not too long time. Motor's over there. Might have that sold tomorrow. For now though, we got this big driveway and that creeper right there, and I'm reckoning that's gonna be a good idea. He doesn't think it's gonna be that good idea. It's gonna be great. This is pretty much where we're gonna leave y'all for today. Of course, we are gonna slide down. You gotta watch some cars for me though, because I really don't want to get run over.
Oh, the trick is to dodge in the car.
Oh, I forgot. Frogger. It's my bad. Be honest, dude. This does not seem like a good idea.
It does.
Okay, well we're going. Now we're sideways. This is the greatest thing I've ever done in my life. Pull out sin. Harbor Freight, I knew it wasn't your intentions, but I gotta say, you make a pretty good, what do we call that now? What do we call that now? Skateboard of death, we'll go with that. The motor build is coming up soon, so y'all make sure you stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We've had a lot of cool content over the past couple of days, and we have a cammed Jeep coming up.
Yeah, the Harbor Freight in Stevensville.
We do.
Why didn't we buy one when it was snowing?
I mentioned that in the last video. Apparently you didn't watch it though, so you know. Thank y'all for tuning in. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. I hope y'all are crushing life right now. Until next time, take it easy, and I'll see y'all soon.